Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola E40 and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications, expand the list, and in here you will find the Do Not Disturb toggle. It could be on the first page as it is for me, but you could also maybe find it on the other page if it's not visible on the first one as it is for me. But anyway, once you find it, first time around, I recommend holding it. This will take you to the settings where you will be able to customize how it actually functions. So, go over a couple of the more important settings. We have people, which will, if you tap on it, will include calls and messages, so you can set up who can call you and who can message you during the Do Not Disturb mode being enabled. Then if you go back, we have also apps. Same as people, you can choose what kind of apps can bypass this, and also alarms and other interruptions. Now, below here we have schedule. So this will allow you to set up a schedule so you won't have to turn it on and off manually. You can simply set it up right here. There's two pre-made ones for sleeping and event, and you can create your own, or you could customize the ones that are pre-made. For instance, sleeping, you can tap on the gear icon and change the days of the week, start and end time if you wish to. Now, if you plan to use the schedule mode, then all you need to do is tap right here on the checkbox to turn it on, and that's all you need to do. Whenever time comes, it will turn on its own and then turn off again on its own as well. So you only need to have it toggled right here. But for everybody else who wants to use it manually from time to time, then once you set it up right here, you can close this and you don't have to come back here again. And whenever you want to utilize it, just find the toggle, tap on it, and this will toggle it on. Now once you're done with your Do Not Disturb mode, do keep in mind to turn it off, otherwise it will be running in the background indefinitely. So you turn it off by, again, just tapping on a toggle. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.